Hello, this is Ryan with Bolster, and in this short video I will show you how to add items from either Home Depot or Lowe's. This is really handy as we can import items directly from the Home Depot or Lowe's catalog. So in a proposal, we want to click on Add Item, then go to Browse Full Item Catalog. From there, in our Bolster catalog, we can click on either Home Depot or Lowe's depending on where we want to shop in our area, depending on our zip code. In this case, we want to go to Home Depot, and maybe we want to search for toilets. After that, search. Here we can see all the different toilets that Home Depot has to offer, if they're stock in your area or available online or not. Now, when we bring in an item from Home Depot, say we want this toilet, click on it, add one to estimate. When we bring items in from Home Depot, such as this, you will see that Home Depot just has the materials costs. Obviously, Home Depot does not know how much you install a toilet in this scenario or any other piece of equipment. So we will have to add in some labor by clicking on the labor icon and then adding it into our spreadsheet. Thank you very much. Hopefully this helps.